capacitive 3300s. Pretty cool. Does it only call one of them? I guess it only, oh, there we go. Do they all have separate controllers? That's really cool though. I've never seen that. Touch capacitive 3300. I guess they are on different controllers. That's really awesome. Wow, look at that. I believe the top floor is 6. There we go. Flash is 6 there. Oh, here we go. 2007, I guess this is from. Look, so you push a floor and it flashes it down there and then puts it up on that little screen to show where you're going. Here we go. Pretty cool. This is my first touch capacitive 3300.